નમસ્તે મિત્રો, પૂજા વિદ્યાલયમાં તમારું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. આજે ધોરણ 8 વિષય ઇંગ્લિશમાં આપણે યુનિટ 5 ઇંગ્લિશ પ્લસનો અભ્યાસ કરીશું. મિત્રો, સૌથી પહેલાં ઇંગ્લિશ પ્લસ એટલે શું? ઇંગ્લિશ પ્લસ એટલે મિત્રો અંગ્રેજી વિષયમાં જ્ઞાનનો ધીરે ધીરે વધારો કરવો. આપણે મિત્રો ગણિતમાં જાણીએ છીએ પ્લસ અને માઇનસ. પ્લસ એટલે સરવાળો અને માઇનસ એટલે બાદબાકી. જેમાં પ્લસ થાય એ પ્રોફિટ કહેવાય, જેમાં માઇનસ થાય એ લોસ કહેવાય. તો આપણે ઇંગ્લિશમાં વધારો કરવાનો છે મિત્રો. મીન્સ ઇંગ્લિશ વિશે થોડું જાણવાનું છે. એક્ટિવિટી 1, વર્ક ઇન પેર, ટેક રોલ, એન્સર ધી ડાયલોગ. Isha want to make finger puppet. She needs some material. She is a stationery shop. ઈશાને હાથથી પપેટ બનાવી હતી, ફિંગર પેટ. તે દુકાન સ્ટેશનરી દુકાને ગઈ. શોપકીપર છે, વોટ ડુ યુ વોન્ટ? દુકાનદાર કહે તમારે શું જોઈએ છે? ઈશા કહે વોન્ટ ટુ કાર્ડ પેપર, કલર પેન્સિલ, પેર ઓફ સીઝર એન્ડ ગ્લુ બોટલ. શોપકીપર છે, હાઉ મેની કાર્ડ પેપર ડુ યુ વોન્ટ? Isha said 2. Shopkeeper said, how many color pencil do you want? Isha said 3 black, red and yellow. Shopkeeper said, here they are. Isha said, and also a blue bottle. Shopkeeper said, 5 ml, yeah, 100 ml bottle. Isha said, 50 ml. Shopkeeper said, fine, here it is, take them. Isha said, uncle, how much is the bill? Shopkeeper, 80 rupees. Here is your bill. Isha said, here is the money. Please count the money. Shopkeeper said, thank you. Work in pair. Read the detail and the question. How many pencils are there in the box? 10. How much water in the bottle? 300 ml. How many packets are there in the ice cream? There are 10. How many days are there in year? 365. How much tea in the packet? 500 ml. How much price tea packet? 250. How much soap packet? 4. How much price of soap bar? 36. How much shampoo packet? 3. How much price for 3? How many GB? 8 GB. How much price for 8 GB? 300. How much wheat for sack? 100 kg. How much for the feed sack price? 2400. How much iPod memory? 34GB. મિત્રો, are you ready for advertisement? Are you music lover? Sound of entertainment. Singer Aditya Nayak and Anjana Yagnik. Guitar Abhimanyu, Muna Patel, flute Ninad. So Saturday, Sunday, 8 and 9 April, 10 to 2 p.m., 8 p.m. On which day can you go to the music concert? We go to the 8-9 April. How many shows are there? So there are 2 shows, 10 to 2, 2 to 8. How much bill your mother pay for the music concert? My mother pay for bill for the 250. How many singers are there? There are 2 singers, Aditya Nayak and Anjana Yagnik. Who are singers? Aditya Nayak and Anjana Yagnik. Which instrument do the artists use? Artists use guitar, drum and flute. Activity 2, read and enjoy a dialogue within dialogue. Dhanush and Raghav are best friends. Dhanush and Raghav सारे मित्र होता. They are studying class 8. like you today, Sunday, and both are on the playground. Raghav says, I am hungry. Let's go to my uncle home. It's just next to the street, said Dhanush. Yes, I know. Even I remember the taste of your uncle dish. Really, Dhanush is very good cook, Raghav replied. They are on their way of Dhanush uncle home. They went past tea stall. Radio Bindi was save money with our bank and secure your future. Such an advertisement on Radio Bindi. Raghav said, I want to open account in bank, said Dhanush. Why? Raghav asked, because I have saved some pocket money. I want to deposit it. It is a good idea. I also want an account to be opened. We will go together, Dhanush said. Do you know the address of the bank? Asked Raghav. No, but my father has an account with the bank. He added, it is a nationalized bank. Fine. Then when shall we go there? Raghav asked. We shall go there on next Tuesday, Dhanush replied. But who will you help in opening an account? Raghav asked. My uncle will come with us, Dhanush said. They entered the house. Uncle Manubhai was reading the newspaper. Hello uncle, we want an account to be opened with bank. We need your help, Dhanush replied. Sure, I will help you. I will also come with you to the bank, said Manubhai. After some time, Raghav switched on the television. There was an account announcement on the scene. Donate O plus blood immediately. Contact 03838389555. What is O positive, uncle? Dhanush asked. It is the name of blood group, said Manubhai. Why do they need blood, uncle? Asked Dhanush. Perhaps sometime there may be surgery, said Manubhai. But uncle, why don't you help them? Raghav asked. No, I can't because my blood group B positive, uncle replied. Uncle said, now this is the time for our cartoon show. Raghav and I miss it. Can we watch it? Said Dhanush. Of course. In meanwhile, I will prepare some snack for both of you. Uncle, you are such caring person, Raghav said. Both the boys watched the cartoon show. The show and Manubhai came with snack. Do you enjoy the cartoon show? Uncle asked. Yes, we did. Here are some snacks. Have them and tell me how they are. Delicious always. Both said. After tasting the snake, thank you, my children. Enjoy the snake. I read the newspaper. Manubhai read the newspaper. Hi boy, here is some interesting news for you, said Manubhai. What is it? Dhanush asked. Said it yourself, replied Manubhai. Both read an advertisement. Young world on the post painting competition, magic of hand of standard 6 to standard 8. Come paint your own colorful world. 16 March, South Zone, Surat Saraswati Vidyalaya. 22 2nd March, North Zone, Patan Sarvodaya Vidyalaya. 29 March, Middle Ahmedabad Smriti Vidyalaya. 4th April, West Rajkot Madhurya Vidyalaya. Time 10 to 1 p.m. Theme Save Environment, Save Water. Attraction prize for to be won. First prize 1 week animation workshop with the artist Kanak Patel. Second prize 3 week workshop with the artist R.T. Naren. Third prize a day taking camp. 100 consolation prize and assurance with 5 brushes. A 3D certificate of all for entry from WW Young World Organize. Come color your imagination. Wow, this is an attractive event. Dhanush, will you participate? Raghav asked. Sure. What about you? Dhanush said. I shall also participate, Raghav said. So we are there following statement to Manubhai's Raghav. Uncle false. Dhanush want to an account be opened to be bank. His father told him false. Dhanush uncle will help them to open account false. The competition is about his singing false. The competition organized by Young World true. Answer the question. What are the announcements of the Radio Bindi? Radio Bindi announced to save money on bank Write the announcement which you heard on FM radio FM. Save money on yourself on pocket money. Why did Dhanush want an account be opened with bank? Dhanush wanted an account to be opened with bank because to save money. Who will help them get an account? Dhanush uncle Manubhai will help them in getting account open. Why could Manubhai not donate his blood? Manubhai could not donate his blood because Manubhai blood group is B positive and require for O positive. When will the Southern competition in 1st June? What is theme for thick come and paint? Is Dhanush worried about his future? Yes, Dhanush worried for the future. What must do you win the week animation? We in the first animation. How can you get the entry fee? Entry to www.com online. Activity 3. There were reception messages. And some the guests didn't come for the ceremony. Listen to the access that absent guest. Mr. Donkey said, Mr. Donkey, why didn't you come? Mrs. Aunt says, Mrs. Aunt was sick, was mom. Why didn't you come? Miss Ship, why didn't you come? Mrs. Aunt was messenger, was thumb. Miss God, why didn't you come? Miss Aunt was river, I could jump. Be much મિત્રો play in pair, ask question your partner will have. Hari play football yesterday. Hari played football yesterday because why didn't Hari play football yesterday? Because not no play. Why didn't Rani sing competition? Because sore throat. Why didn't you play chess? Because I not know play. Why didn't you bicycle? Because no money. Why didn't worker on the factory? Because on strike. Why your friend on the cinema? No get ticket. Neha buy the urban night for already read book. Write the question, answer the given space. You. Why didn't Hari play football yesterday? Your partner said because he had pain in the ankle. Why did you sing competition? Because his sore is no throat. Why didn't you buy bicycle? Because no money. Why didn't your friend go to cinema? Because today is not holiday. Said to Sham today attend the business meeting. મિત્રો why and because you know why were the children happy? Because they had vacation. Why was the Sunal unhappy? Because he missed the favorite TV channel. Why were you search him? Because he meet his uncle. Why were Anisha gone Papi? Because to attend the business meeting. Why were the children happy? For vacation in summer. April 4 મિત્રો Piyush is going from Ahmedabad to Mumbai. His grandfather tell him what to do and what not do. તો મિત્રો પિયુષે શું કરવું જોઈએ એટલે ડુ અને શું ના કરવું જોઈએ. Reach station safely, cross the road by using traffic light, purchase ticket from the ticket window, stand in queue, use the timetable, make an inquiry of the train, keep ticket in the paper plate. Do not want to મિત્રો push while passenger come out, purchase ticket from stranger, hurry the get into the train, sit on other class, take eatable offered by stranger, keep luggage in wrong place, throw rubbish anywhere. Listen and understand the dialogue. Grandfather said, Piyush, what are you getting ready for? Piyush said, Grandpa, I am going to Mumbai. Grandpa, have you taken your luggage? Piyush said, yes, Dada. Grandpa, are you going to alone? Yes, I am. Grandpa, yes, drop you. Piyush said, Dada is suggestion. એટલે ડુ અને ડુ નોટ ક્રિયા કરવાની. શ્રીમજી હિયર ઇઝ અ નોટિસ અબાઉટ ધ ઇન્ટર સ્કૂલ કોમ્પિટિશન. રીડ સરસ્વતી વિદ્યાલય. વી આર પ્લેઇંગ The final on the inter-school girls hockey championship again Bharati Vidyalaya, date 20 March, time 8:30 in Motera Stadium. Friend come in large number, cheer it. The class of Reverend C.R. reading invitation before the classmate. Dear friend, good afternoon. It is a good news for us. We have an invitation for the inter-school girls hockey championship. It will be again Bharati Vidyalaya. It will be on 20 March. The winners is Motera Stadium. The final will start 8:30 am. Our principal and captain have invite of all friends. We have most good cheer our team. Rajiv and Disha, you will go play. Now make invitation. Puja Vidyalaya. We are organizing the science fair. Date 25 April. Time 10 to 5. Venus Puja Vidya Street. Picture of robot, fail, solar Urja, wind farm, and many other captain and principal. CRJ. Activity 5 Mitro, let's make some buttermilk yourself, your family and friend. The ingredient thing, you will need 200 gram curd, cumin seed, salt, 2 mints of the step of the recipe, not mix air and the following sentence correct. Add the curds. Activate Mitro, read the given detail. Bhavin and Alpa. Bhavin 20 years old, age 8, height is 164 cm, weight 65, length of his hair is 35 cm. Each family has 4 members, he has 12 friends. Alpa is 900 years old, her height is 162 cm, weight is 5 kg, 55, length of her hair is 65 cm. Her family has 5 members, she has 12 friends. Now, Bhavin is older than Alpa, Alpa is younger than Bhavin. Bhavin is taller than Alpa, Alpa is shorter than Bhavin. Bhavin is heavier than Alpa, Alpa is shorter than Bhavin. Bhavin hair is longer than Bhavin, Bhavin hair is shorter than Alpa. Bhavin family member is bigger than Bhavin, Bhavin family is shorter than Alpa. The friends are equal for few. Use non-verb pair, right for friend, age, height, weight, hair. મિત્રો તમે તમારા મિત્રોનું બી બનાવી શકો છો. હવે મિત્રો આપણે રિવિઝનનો અભ્યાસ કરીશું. મિત્રો એક્ટિવિટી 1